Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 durability overhaul, dual-layer glass, metal reinforcement, and next-gen performance, Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 8. And while this foldable flagship doesn't reinvent the category, it delivers one of the most important upgrades yet, a major durability overhaul. With dual-layer, ultra-thin glass, reinforced metal plates, a redesigned hinge, and upgraded internal cooling powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 4 Galaxy. The Z Fold 8 focuses on refinement where it matters most, strength, stability, and long-term reliability at the same time. New leaks hint at an even bigger productivity-focused, foldable, potentially called the Galaxy Z Wide Fold, signaling a bold strategic expansion of Samsung's foldable lineup in 2026. Here's everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, including its durability upgrades, display improvements, performance enhancements, battery life, camera system, and what it means for the future of foldable smartphones. Refined design with structural reinforcement, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 retains Samsung's recognizable fold design language but introduces subtle structural improvements. When unfolded, the device measures 158.4x, 143.2x 4.5 millimeters, while folded thickness sits around 9 millimeters, including the camera bump. The unfolded thickness increases to approximately 5.5 millimeters, a slight adjustment that likely accommodates new reinforcement layers and internal upgrades. The design remains sleek and premium, but the real story is beneath the surface. Samsung has reinforced the internal structure to improve long-term durability without significantly increasing weight or bulk. The goal is clear: make foldables feel as dependable as traditional flagship smartphones. Redesigned hinge for smoother folding and better protection. The hinge is the backbone of any foldable device, and Samsung has upgraded it once again. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 features an improved hinge mechanism engineered for smoother transitions between folded and unfolded states. More importantly, Samsung has enhanced resistance to dust and debris intrusion. Historically, one of the biggest concerns for foldable longevity, the hinge has reportedly undergone extensive stress testing to endure thousands of folds while maintaining structural integrity. This updated hinge design not only improves durability but also enhances the overall user experience, delivering a more stable and refined folding motion. Dual-layer ultra-thin glass and reinforced metal plate, most significant durability upgrade in the Galaxy Z Fold 8 comes from its new dual-layer, ultra-thin glass display system paired with a reinforced metal support plate. Samsung has added a second layer of ultra-thin glass to strengthen the foldable AMOLED panel. Beneath that sits a reinforced metal plate designed to distribute stress more evenly across the folding area. This dual-layer approach helps improve impact resistance, reduce crease, visibility, enhance overall screen, longevity, minimize pressure damage from repeated folding. Crease reduction has been a key focus for Samsung over the years, and this updated display stack appears to be another step forward. The inner 8-inch AMOLED display maintains a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling, immersive gaming, and fluid multitasking, while the 6.5-inch cover screen also supports 120 Hz for a seamless experience whether folded or unfolded. Durability now takes center stage, positioning the Galaxy Z Fold 8 as one of the toughest foldable phones Samsung has produced. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 4 Galaxy and upgraded cooling powering the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 4 Galaxy, Qualcomm's latest high-performance chipset optimized specifically for Samsung devices. This processor delivers improved AI performance, enhanced gaming graphics, faster multitasking, better power efficiency to support heavy workloads. Samsung has upgraded the internal cooling system, including an expanded vapor chamber. This helps maintain consistent performance during intensive tasks like video editing, multitasking in split-screen mode, and high-end mobile gaming. With memory configurations ranging from 12 GB to 16 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. The Z Fold 8 is clearly built for power users and productivity-focused professionals. Advanced triple camera system. Samsung continues to push flagship level photography in its foldable lineup. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 features a powerful triple-lens rear camera system that INCLUDES 2200MP, main sensor for ultra-deep photography, 50MP, ultra-wide lens 4, landscapes and group shots, 10MP telephoto, lens with 3x optical zoom for portraits and close-ups. 200MP sensor allows for improved low-light performance and exceptional clarity, bringing the Fold series closer than ever to Samsung's Ultra models in imaging capability. While the under-display camera hasn't seen dramatic changes, Samsung has refined image processing to deliver better overall results across both the cover and internal displays. 5000 mAh battery with fast-charging battery life remains a priority for large-screen, and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 includes a 5000 mAh battery designed for all-day usage. Charging features include 45W wired fast charging, wireless charging with the efficiency improvements from the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, users can expect stronger battery optimization even with heavy multitasking and media consumption, potential S Pen support, and Galaxy Z Wide Fold. Leak 1 of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is the possible return of S Pen support. If fully integrated, this would significantly enhance productivity, allowing users to take notes, annotate documents, sketch, and edit content directly on the foldable display. Adding to the intrigue are leaks, pointing to a new device, the Galaxy Z Wide Fold. This rumored model could feature a larger display with full S Pen integration, specifically targeting professionals, designers, and multitaskers who need an expanded workspace. If Samsung introduces this model, it would signal a strategic shift toward segmenting its foldable lineup. Galaxy Z Fold 8, mainstream premium foldable Galaxy Z Wide Fold, productivity powerhouse, Samsung's 2026 foldable strategy. Rather than introducing radical experimental changes, Samsung is refining the foldable formula. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 focuses heavily on durability improvements, structural reinforcement, display enhancements, and performance optimization. This calculated approach suggests Samsung is moving foldables from early adopter devices to reliable daily drivers. By strengthening the display with dual-layer glass, reinforcing it with metal plates, improving hinge durability, and upgrading internal cooling, Samsung is addressing the biggest long-term concerns about foldable smartphones. What the Galaxy Z Fold 8 means for the foldable market. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 represents maturity in foldable technology. Instead of chasing flashy redesigns, Samsung is building trust through durability, performance, and reliability. If the Galaxy Z Wide Fold becomes official, Samsung could dominate both lifestyle and productivity segments within the foldable market. This dual-device strategy would allow the company to serve casual users, power users, and professionals alike with stronger materials, smarter engineering, flagship-level cameras, and next-generation performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 may not reinvent foldables, but it might finally perfect them.